Hi guys, welcome to week 9. I first want to say congratulations on finishing the midterm and sort of making it through the halfway point of the class. I recognize that the midterm is difficult. I ask difficult questions because you have open book, open notes. But I recognize that it is a difficult exam and I want to congratulate you for getting through it. I am going to curve the exam, so if your score came out lower than you would have hoped, I will curve it, and so you will see a significant boost in your actual letter grade for the course or for the midterm because I'm going to curve it. That's because I recognize it's a hard exam. So this week we're going to start in on Chapter 6, which is all about supply. Chapter 5 was all about demand, sort of more in depth, and this is all about supply, a little more in depth. And this chapter is also going to introduce the ideas behind perfect competition, and so you're going to have a discussion post about that this week as well. The real key to this book, or this chapter, is to understand the cost curves in the graph. And so the book's going to take a long time kind of going through the tables, how to calculate average variable cost, average total cost. But once you get all those calculations done, they're just going to put it into a graph. And reading and interpreting the graph is really the most important fundamental thing to take from this chapter. So by the end of this, I want you to be able to look at the cost curves and be able to determine whether or not the firm is earning profit, be able to calculate how much profit they're making, and be able to determine if they're going to stay in business in the long run. And you can get all of that information just from the cost curve graphs. So I've put a few videos from AC/DC Econ in this chapter's module to kind of help you visualize and understand how the cost curves work. So make sure to watch those videos if you're struggling a little bit, just not picking it up from reading the chapter. And I'm also going to try and post a guided example to sort of help you interpret the areas of the cost curves, the positive profit, the negative profit, and the shutdown region. So have a great week. Again, congratulations for finishing the midterm. Stay strong. We're halfway through, a little more than halfway through now. If you've made it this far, I promise the second half is going to be easier than the first half. So stick with it. Congratulations and have a great week. All right.